Now, a continuation from the stem and leaf plot. Let's say we were given the stem and leaf plot first and we wanted to find out some information about the entire data set. So basically, we can find out things such as the minimum, and as you can see, the smallest stem is 0, and the leaf next to that is 5. So that means the smallest number in this data set is 5. We could also find out the maximum, or the largest number in this data set. The largest stem is 6, and the leaf to that is 0. So we know that the largest number in the data set was 60. Okay? Now, what if we want to find out the mean or the average of these numbers? We would actually have to add up all the numbers in the data set, all 20 of them, and that would give us a sum of 724. But if we take 724 and divide it by 20, we would get 36.2. So the mean or the average of the elements in this data set from the stem and leaf plot is 36.2. We can find the median, which is the middle number. Now, if we have 20 elements in the data set, or 20 numbers in this data set, we would actually take the 10th and the 11th number and find the average of them. So if I start from the lowest number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So that means the two middle numbers would be 35 and 35. So if I take 35 plus 35 divided by 2, that would give me 35, okay? Because we would get 35 plus 35 is 70. 70 divided by 2 is 35, okay? So our median number is 35. That's the middle number of the data set. And then we could find the mode, or the mode is the number that occurs the most, as we've previously learned. And all you have to do is look at the leaves and see which leaf occurs the most. Here, the number 5 occurs 4 times. The number 7 here, under the 4 stem, occurs 3 times. So I know that 35 is the mode because under the stem 3, or tree, I have the number 5 listed 4 times. So we know that the mode is 35. All right? So that's just what we can find out if we're given the stem and leaf plot and we want to find out the measures of central tendency given the leaf plot. Once again, Young Guru's Math Tutoring. I've got the solution to your math problems.